Hi, David Aldridge here, and welcome to this video tutorial on Twist and Shout by the Beatles. Alright, let's make a start. So we're going to play the 5th string open, followed by the 2nd fret, then followed by the 4th fret, and that's all on the 5th string. Then after that, we're going to play the 4th string open. So it's open 5th, 2nd fret on the 5th, 4th fret on the 5th, and then 4th string open. Okay, so that's the lead-in. And how we get into that, the count, or how we count that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, here we go again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, you might want to practice that a few times just to get it flowing. Okay, and it's part of an A major scale if you want to know the geeky stuff behind it. Okay, so after we play the lead-in, we've got a down strum on a chord of D. So it goes like this. And then we change to G, and we do a down and up strum. So it's 1 down strum on D, and then a down and up strum on G. Okay, so it sounds a bit like this. Okay, so after the G, we then move on to an A5 chord. So for the A5 chord, we have our first finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and we're just going to play 2 strings, which are the 5th and the 4th. These 5 chords are also known as power chords. And then after that, we've got 5 down strums. Okay, so let me piece that together for you. Done the 5 down strums, it loops back into the lead-in part again, so kind of like this. Alright, so that's the first part to Twist and Shout. Okay, so after this is the solo that sounds like this. On to and so on, and that's kind of the build up that then takes you back into the chorus. Okay, so let me first show you the solo part. First of all, show you the solo part. Okay, so we start off with an open 4th string, and this is what we call staccato in music, where we stop the note or detach the note. Okay, then we've got the open 3rd string, and then open 2nd string. Sorry, the 4th string open is twice. And then you just work down the string. So 4th string twice, 3rd string open, and then open 2nd string. Okay. And then we play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then 2nd fret on the 4th string, open 3rd string, and then the 4th fret on the 4th string. time, open fourth twice, open third, open second, and then second fret of the third string, second fret of the fourth string, open third string, and then the full fret on the fourth string. Alright, cool. So that's the solo. Okay, so let's learn the next bit. Okay, so we're going to start off with the second fret of the third string, and we're going to pluck that 8 times. And then we place the second finger underneath on the second string, and we strum those two together. Then we add the third note in, which is the first string open, and that is 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next note, we add the third fret on the first string, and we've got 2 sets of 8s, so that would be like 16 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is kind of like forming an A7 chord. Okay, so let me play that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we go back to the chorus. So from that build-up part back into the chorus, it misses out the lead-in. It just goes straight to the open 4th string, the chord of D, and then G, then the A5 again. And then on the second round of that, then it goes back to the scale part. Okay, so here we go. And that's how you transition back into the chorus. All right, cool. So it might be worth you checking out the song and listening to how many times it does the riff in each chorus and so on, or just general getting the structure of the song down. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you all the different elements and how you piece those together. All right, okay. So there's the end part that sounds like this. You get this typical Beatles chord, which is a 9 chord, which is a D9, but we'll get to this in a moment. Okay, so after the solo, we go into the build-up part, and then we back into the, and then from that it transitions then into the coda, or the outro part. Let's call it an outro. Okay, so all right, so we've got, and then from that it goes into build up again. This time it doesn't do 2 sets of 8s, it does 8 strums and then beat 1 of the next bar. So it's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And then the end. Okay, so let me just play that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Okay, some people play this 9 chord down here as well. So you can, it's a bit easier if you're a beginner guitarist to kind of play it in open position like this. Okay, all right. So the last part, the end part is you play open 5th string, the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and then an open 4th string. So this in music, this is what we call, when we play fret by fret, it's what we call playing chromatically. It's like a chromatic scale. Okay, and this D9 chord consists of an open 4th string, the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and a 1st string open, and you strum from the 4th. Okay, so. Okay, and these notes are, the rhythm of these notes are like tripleted, there'd be tripleted crotchets, da 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 da, into that. Okay, so that'd be cool. Please leave some comments below on your progress and how you get on with this song, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, which is going to be Ziggy Stardust by David Bowie. So please check that one out, and that will be live this week, so make sure you subscribe and you'll be notified each time I post a new video lesson. Okay, take care. Bye.